Yes.
Bolo, ready? Bolo.
Ready.
Hi, greetings of the day. Today this video basically I have made to establish the relation between centimeter cube and a liter. This teaching material will help you to understand that what is the relation between centimeter cube and a liter. Children find it very difficult to understand that what is the relation between centimeter cube and a liter, but when they will see practically, then it will remain in their mind for a long period of time, and they will able to utilize this relation in their numerical problems. So let us see how this teaching material will help you to understand these relations. So basically here I have a cube, and this cube has length, breadth and height everything equal and equal to 10 centimeter. This you can verify with the help of a measuring scale. You can see it is 10 centimeter, and length, breadth also is 10 centimeter, and if you measure the height, that is the depth, that is also exactly 10 centimeter. So that is the length is 10, breadth is 10 and height is also 10 centimeter. So the volume of the cube will be length into breadth into height, that means everything is equal. So 10 into 10 into 10 will give you, that is the 1000 centimeter cube. Here we can write here 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now this 1000 centimeter cube, the volume of this cube is 1000 centimeter cube. Now we will pour into it the liquid and we will see whether it is holding exactly 1 liter or not. So here I have a measuring cylinder, and you can see here that till here we have 500 ml. That means I have a measuring jar. The volume of this is 500 ml. So I will pour it inside this. Let us pour it inside this. And one more. So exactly you can see, dear student, that it has come to the brim, and you can see that if I have filled this 500 ml 2 times into this, it has filled this, and that means the volume is of the water inside it is 1 liter. That means what we have understood from this simple material that is 1000 centimeter cube will give me 1 liter. This is a very important relation and is useful in many numerical problems in physics as well as in mensuration. When the children will understand practically, when they see that if we will have a cube of length, breadth and height exactly 10 centimeter each, and then the volume will come out to be the 1000 centimeter cube, and that 1000 centimeter cube, this volume will occupy exactly 1 liter. Hope this video help you to enhance your idea about this concept of relations between centimeter cube and a liter, and help you to understand further. Thank you very much.